What is your name?
My name is Ahmed.
How do you spell your name?
A Ch Mem E D.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Morocco.
Where do you live?
I live in Casablanca.
What is your nationality?
I am Moroccan.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 06,
What languages do you speak?
I speak Arabic and English.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
How old is your father?
He is 55 years old.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest.
Who is the youngest?
My sister is the youngest.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8 a.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise twice a week.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you read books?
Sometimes. Yes.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
Are you a student or do you work?
I work.
What do you study?
I study English.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to improve my future.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and help customers.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Ali.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I do.
What time does your class start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Is English easy for you?
It is a little difficult.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy movie.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.